The overall goal of the following experiment is to illustrate a generalized technique for synchronizing multiple data streams that are recorded during human biomechanical studies. This is achieved by using electromyographic and motion capture signals to generate an analog synchronization event that can be independently recorded by two or more systems. As a second step, simple circuit components can be designed, which transform this event into signals appropriate for each recording device. Next, use analysis software to temporally align the synchronization events across the independently recorded signals in order to synchronize all of the signals. The results show that several biomechanical signals can be temporally aligned within the sampling frequencies of the respective data recording systems, which enable collection of a rich experimental dataset of human naturalistic movement to study neuromuscular control.
There are multiple complex questions in the fields of motor control and biomechanics that can best be answered by studying natural human movement in a laboratory setting. Here we describe the method of using virtual reality to define behavioral tasks, during which several physiological signals are recorded simultaneously.
The advantage of a virtual reality-based experimental setup over existing methods, like hardware-based behavioral rigs, is that it can be adapted very rapidly to different experiments, as well as to the unique anatomy of individual participants.
During behavioral experiments, it is common to simultaneously record several signals that quantify behavior, such as electromyography and motion capture. Our method provides a solution to the problem of temporal alignment of these signals by using a custom synchronization unit that is compatible across multiple manufacturers.